Hi, this is Hosam Delai. In this video, I'll show you the setup I use to record videos using the Lightboard. From here, you can see the Lightboard with some drawing from my last video. And you can see also the two cameras that I used to record myself behind the Lightboard. Then from here, you'll be able to see the laptop I use in order to record the sound. And then the second screen that I use actually to view the schema or the drawing that I'm gonna draw so that I don't forget any details on the schema. From a different angle, we'll go to see the setup for the two camera. So from here, I use actually the main camera, which is my smartphone actually, to record what is happening on the Lightboard. So I would have an angle like this, so I record only what is happening on the Lightboard, only the frame of the Lightboard. That's my main camera. And then I use a second camera, which is my Canon. And I use this one actually to record from a wider screen. So I use this for the introduction video, where I start from the outside. Then the focus will go to the main camera to focus only on the Lightboard. I use some lighting systems from here, but mainly here the trick is that for the Lightboard to work correctly, what you should set up is the lighting on those Lightboards. So here, this is where all the magic happens actually, is those lights. Those are the LED lights. Those lights are directly will go inside to illuminate inside the plexiglass. So this is actually plexiglass, it's not normal glass. And you can see here some lighting. So when the lights go inside the plexiglass horizontally, that light will illuminate what is shown on the Lightboard. So let me do one experimentation here. I'll try to switch off those lights and turn on the other light. 1 second. And now I try to turn off here. So from here now, the LED are turned out, and here you see we can no longer actually see the what is written on the Lightboard. The writing is there, but we cannot see it using only the normal lighting. We need those LED lights here where all the magic happens. Now if I turn off this light again and bring again the lights for the Lightboard, now again you can see what is written inside the Lightboard. So another trick actually I use is that when the camera is filming me on the Lightboard, it should be something like this actually. I'm writing with my right hand, okay? But then in the video, people will see me writing using my left hand. Why is that happening? Because actually, when we use the camera will film the opposite. So the other side will be flipped. So what I do is a simple trick using the editing software. So here I have a sample video that I have filmed. So what I do here in this video, it's shown that I'm using my right hand, okay? But the what is written on the Lightboard is flipped, so you cannot read it actually. So what I do here is that there is a configuration here to flip the video horizontally. So I make a rotation on the y-axis. So from here I'll change the y-axis to be 180 degree, and now you see the image was changed. If I flip it back, it seems now I'm writing with the right hand, but now I'm writing with the left hand. So So that's why in the video you see me writing on the left hand, but now you can read what is written on the Lightboard. Great. So some advices if you want to start your YouTube channel by creating some videos like this. First trick is start simply. Start as simple as possible with the least hardware. You don't need to buy 10,000 euro camera or high-end smartphone. I started with a simple smartphone. Start with what you already have. You don't need to buy expensive stuff. And for the editing software, here I'm actually using Camtasia Studio, which is paid subscription. I get free one because I'm MVP. But there is lots of other free software you can use for filming, editing, and so on. Another advice I can share with you is that don't try to be perfect on your videos. Just start. The first videos, maybe you would have only few people watching your first videos. That's fine. That will give you enough time to learn how to make your videos even better. So take the advantage of having fewer people watching your videos, and with the time and each time you make a new video, you will be able to add more stuff and enhance it even more. Yes, another thing I wanted to share with you, actually you can see that here I'm using this blue screen here. I used this before in order to record videos, so I'll be like this here, talking and presenting some subject about software development, and then I can use the blue background in order to replace it with a background image or background video where I can show the software I'll be using during the video. So that's really useful. Typically we use the green background, but here I chose the blue one because I can use it both for replacing the background, and I can also use it to just use a monochrome background instead of using the wall. It's better actually to use this one because the wall sometimes we get those small patterns. Sometimes they appear, and sometimes you get lots of lighting that will be reflected by the wall. When you use a background like this, there is no, it won't reflect the light.